So we start off today's video with this amazing haircut transformation. Oh, wow. Beautiful asymmetrical blonde pixie style. I love the amount of volume that this has. This is absolutely gorgeous. Hello everyone, welcome back to Fashion Trend Seeker. So if you are new around here, my name is Danielle, and today we will be taking a look at a variety of hair transformations, hairstyle ideas, options that you can play around with this season. So if you've been looking for a new way to shake up your boring strands, you've come to the right place. If you do feel inspired by any of these hairstyles, please be sure to like today's video, give it a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and you'll stay up to date on all the hottest and the latest hair trends. So the next hairstyle featured this beautiful layered makeover. He did some curtain bangs, added in this bold red pop of color. Very pretty. And this is, of course, two very hot trends in one, the curtain bangs and the undercolor trend. And then we move into this gorgeous pixie makeover. Beautiful asymmetrical pixie cut. Once again, this pixie has so much body, so much fullness to it. Wow. Absolutely perfection. She looks amazing. And I don't know about you guys, but I can't get enough of a very well done pixie style. And this is just beautiful. Next up, we see someone with curly hair. She has a really pretty, like, ginger color to her strands. So she finally decided to chop it off into a curly pixie style. Wow, look at her hair. So pretty. And I'm sure that this is more of like a low maintenance style versus what she had before. Very nice. So next up we have someone with some grown out color. Hair is just above the shoulders. So she is, of course, getting some more color added. There is the before. Oh, very nice chocolate brown shade. A little bit of highlights mixed in as well for a great dimensional feel. Very nice. And then she does have a tousled bob. Next up, looks like another pixie style. Beautiful shape and texture. Lots of fullness with this one as well. Bit of an asymmetrical shape with longer bangs. Wow, look how much height and volume that has. Very nicely done. And then we have another long to short transformation. So she has hair about mid-back length. Looks like she has some grown out blonde color as well. So she chops the hair herself. The stylist, of course, cleans it up. Looks like he's doing more of like an angled bob for this one. Oh, she kept her color. This is beautiful. Wow. I love the way that the color accents the ends. Really pretty. And then we see someone rocking out a pixie. She's got some grown out color here as well. Stylist colors the hair. He looks like he likes to have a lot of fun with his clients. And then she does get a nice pixie refresh with the cutting. Color looks beautiful. I really like that color. It's like a really pretty bright blonde. Gorgeous. So pretty. Alright you guys, I hope you enjoyed checking out all of today's hairstyles with me. If you did, please be sure to give today's video a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and I will see you in the next one.